arbitrationagreements.org. I'm here to share a little bit about a vital role in the alternative dispute resolution world, the facilitator. Now, you might be curious about what exactly a facilitator does, so let's unravel this together in a casual chat. But first, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you a great deal of time and money. You see, in the dynamic sphere of dispute resolution, a facilitator serves as a neutral figure, helping parties navigate their disagreements in a more harmonized and balanced manner. Picture a guide who helps you traverse a labyrinthine journey with ease, where the end goal is to find a solution that works for everyone involved. Now, if we were to talk numbers, the statistics are indeed quite interesting. A substantial 85% of disputes that are facilitated end in agreement. That's quite impressive, don't you think? It tells us that this approach holds a powerful potential to resolve conflicts in a collaborative and peaceful way. A facilitator is not just a moderator or a mediator. This role encompasses a lot more. It is about fostering open dialogue, encouraging understanding, and paving the way for constructive discussions. It's a role that necessitates an even-handed approach, where the focus is to keep the conversation flowing smoothly, without any hitches. Imagine being in a room where someone is helping you sift through the noise to find common ground, to understand the underlying issues better. A facilitator carries out this task with a grace that is akin to conducting a harmonious symphony, bringing different notes together to create a beautiful melody, a melody of understanding and resolution. Interestingly, about 60% of facilitated disputes are resolved within a time frame of 60 days. This speediness often comes from the facilitator's skill in promoting efficient and focused conversations, helping parties to get to the heart of the matter without unnecessary delays. In a world that often sees conflicts stretching out for long periods, sometimes even years, the role of a facilitator stands out as a beacon of hope, a signal that disputes can indeed be solved in a timely manner, without the animosity that usually accompanies traditional litigation processes. So, my dear friends, the next time you find yourself amidst a dispute, consider inviting a facilitator into the room. Remember, it's not just about finding a solution, but about nurturing understanding, fostering respect, and cultivating a space where everyone feels heard and validated. To learn more about facilitators, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Also, what do you think of facilitators? Do they seem optimal for helping to resolve a dispute? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.